Hi, my name is Jay Stevenson and I'm the North American Training Leader for Cummins Filtration. Today I'm excited to introduce the latest product to join the Fleetguard family of air filtration solutions, the Fleetguard FFLAF56500 TetraMax Air Filter. The Fleetguard FFLAF56500 is specifically designed for use on all 2010 through 2017 model Freightliner Cascadia trucks sold in the United States, Canada, and Mexico, and is intended to be a direct cross to the OEM air filter in the marketplace. So let's talk about some of the features and benefits of TetraMax. First, let's look at the OEM filter. The thin service tabs are prone to rip or break off, making it very difficult to remove the filter. Compare that to the FFLAF56500, which has large service handles integrated into the frame, which are more than 4 times stronger than the tabs on the OEM product. This means easier, quicker service events for the customer without worry about damaging the filter or the air intake housing during removal of the product. The ergonomic TetraMax design also features a flat bottom frame, which allows the filter to sit upright during service events. And one of the first things you probably noticed was the Fleetguard branded outer wrap, prominently displaying the TetraMax ingredient name, part number, and pictorial instructions for service events. Lastly, and maybe most importantly, is the patented TetraMax media technology. Just like Fleetguard filters with Stratapore and NanoNet media types, the ingredient name TetraMax is descriptive of the product's characteristics. Let me explain. The cellulose media in TetraMax is corrugated, not pleated. It's intricately folded into small triangular shapes called tetrahedrals. These tetrahedrals are open to receive dirty air passing into the filter, but then gradually taper off towards the opposite side of the filter element. Air passes through on the adjacent sides of each one of the tapered channels, but dust and debris are trapped in the media. Clean air then re-enters the adjacent side of the tapered pathways and flows out through the clean side of the filter media and down into the engine for combustion. Through this side-to-side pathway design, TetraMax is able to get the proper amount of clean air to the engine, even if larger debris, like a leaf, enters the air intake system and gets stuck to the face of the filter element. The new FFLAF56500 TetraMax air filter has been tested and proven to meet and exceed the OEM filter performance requirements, so you can depend on this Fleetguard filter to protect your engine at the highest level. TetraMax is just the latest example of how Cummins Filtration is working to help our customers around the world overcome challenges and win using our innovative product solutions. For more information about Fleetguard TetraMax air filters and other Cummins Filtration product solutions, visit cumminsfiltration.com today. And remember, nothing guards like Fleetguard.